We have made it to Butlins. We are here this weekend for the Rhinos challenge. That is playing rugby for the whole weekend.
I think there was a shark here.
Oh dear.
Yeah,
oh my gosh. And yeah, we've made it. We are in the Lagoon Bay area. We are in a seaside chalet. I don't know if they're called chalet, whatever they're called. Seaside Apartment, that's what they're called, because I just saw the sign. We can't get in yet. We have to wait till 3 o'clock. But we're just going to hover around here to see if we can see it. 111, that one. Are we up or down? But this looks a lot nicer than last time, doesn't it, Dad? It just takes so long to get here though. Like, I can't complain because there are people that come from even further than us. We are actually quite close, but the roads are just naff and it just takes so long. But yeah, we made it. It is just, I think it's nearly 2 o'clock now, to be honest. We're gonna have a little wander around, then we can come back here and check in, well, actually get into the apartment. So we're just in the big tent right now. I don't know what it's called. It's not called the big tent. And I'm going to put a link down to last year's Rhinos challenge, either up there or down below. But last year we didn't have the best experience. It was our first time. We didn't really know what to do, where to go, what to get, what not to get and all that jazz. This year, I wouldn't say we're experienced, but we have a little bit more knowledge than last time. And we've just found this, which is food to go. We didn't even know that this existed. This is just in like the little supermarket in the big tent, and there's like sausage rolls and steak pies and paninis and stuff like that. Fresh fruit, like loads of fresh fruit, lettuce, sandwiches, and they're not cheap, but it's cheaper than Burger King, which is what we ended up getting like 3 times on our last trip because we thought that was all there was and that's all they had here. But yeah, if we'd have just walked around a little bit more. Very stressful last year. We came over from Disney I think like 3 days before we were due to come here. I came on my own, Alex was working till like Friday late, we left on Sunday night, we didn't have much time, and it was very, very stressful because it was very, very like rushed and everything. We just didn't have time to think. This year is a completely different situation. Alex is off all weekend. We are here. It is middle of the afternoon and we are making the most of this break. We've also paid to upgrade the dining. We never had dining last time. We've got the dining this year and I'm really looking forward to the food. It costs about £200 and something I think, but I think that's quite good for what you get. And like the 4 people that we'll have to serve, 4 people that we have to feed, half us like eats proper meal now, and you can eat anything that you want, absolutely anything that you want, buffet style, as much as you want. So yeah, you know us and food. So we've just picked up some sausage rolls. You've got, I don't know what you've got something that with like a red tag on it, didn't you? What was it? Chicken and smoked bacon bake. Do you want to go swimming in that, Seth? We were wrong. We thought we were downstairs, but we're not. We think we are upstairs. Wow, look, that's so cute.
I told you it's bunk bed.
It's not bunk bed, it's just a very high bed. Make yourself at home, why don't you? Are you alright there?
Yeah.
It's your own kitchen, Zach.
Not mine, you can. Right, let's have the key then.
What's this then in here?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. No bath, just a shower, yeah?
Yeah.
And then this is our bedroom. This is cute. Look at this decor. Feel like I'm at Margaritaville. Good night, campers. It's cool, isn't it, Harper?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
So we've just come for a little, oh my god, a little walk, and will you just, as I was just saying, I don't know if I'm going to get through this, we've just come for a little walk down the stop, because if you do it by accident and you knock me out, I'm not going to be happy. This is like the, is this the north side, or is this?
This is the north side, right?
Yeah, so we're on the north end now, and it's actually really nice. Like, really nice. Look at some of these. There's some even posher ones right over there. I don't know what they are. And I don't know if we just drove the short straw last year, to be honest, but they look really, really nice. And to be honest, this area as a whole looks pretty, a lot nicer than the other end. So we've made it to tea, aka dinner, for those that aren't northern, but the majority of people here, it's tea. We're in the wave. I'm sure it's called the wave, isn't it? Is it called the wave? The deck. Is there a wave? I don't even think there's one called the wave. We are in the deck, which is one of 2 restaurants that offer the premium dining, and it is literally like anything you want, you can pretty much have, can't you, that? Chinese food, to pizza, to burger, to like chicken nuggets, pizza. I've said that, didn't I? What else is there over there? Chicken in sauce, cooked teas, loads of puddings. We haven't done the puddings yet. I'll show you the puddings in a minute. The pasta. We both said it at the same time. Pasta. Alex got like freshly made pasta. Don't get me wrong, the food, in my opinion, isn't the best that I've ever tasted. It is 10 times better than the other buffet that we went to the last time, which I referred to as school dinners because it was horrific. It's 10 times better than the other place. It is a lot better than that Italian. We was not a fan of that Italian, and it was pretty expensive as well. So we've ate like quite a lot already tonight, and I said to Alex, I said, maybe we shouldn't have gone for everything, because if this is going to be the same thing every single night, like, we're just going to do the same for 3 nights, 2 nights. How many nights have we got? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 nights. And Alex tells me that it's actually different every night, so I will obviously keep you informed of that. I don't know, I didn't know that it was different every night. I said, oh, maybe we should have just got like the Chinese food, or maybe we should have just got burger and sides and stuff like that, and then got something else the next night. So he was like, no, I said we get everything because it's something different every night. I will let you know if he's right or if he's wrong, and we will just be stuffing our faces with any old shizzle for the next 3 nights. Harper is first to the puddings. Yeah. Daddy has just brought a couple. What are they? They're cheesecakes or something. No idea what they are. That looks like some mousse, but that does look like a cheesecake. I haven't been and showed you a pudding yet, but I don't actually think I need to, because Alex seems to have brought the whole variety.
That's where you get your money's worth, isn't it, the pudding?
Why? And then you leave because you can't even move.
Well, no, that's where you get your money's worth, the pudding.
Yeah, because we wouldn't normally get pudding, would we?
I'll tell you what each one is.
Yeah, because I don't know.
I don't really know what that one is.
You won't be a food vlogger, would you?
No, no.
You don't know what that one is?
It's basil. It's basil.
What's that one?
Chocolate.
I'd laugh if one was coffee. Yeah, that one looks like lemon, and that one's obviously raspberry, isn't it?
1 down, 2 more to go.
It's actually got the jello. What you got, Zach? What flavour was yours?
Strawberry, orange, and grape. I'm gonna get.
Oh, you're gonna get the green one. Do you like that? I don't think you've ever had orange jelly before.
I trifle.
It's this one here.
That's like,
Oh, that's like trifle. That's cool. That's like a trifle. So we've got all different coloured and flavoured jelly, and then we've got some Angel Delight. Oh my word, that is crazy. Look how many there are.
and then there's ice cream.
Oh my word. And then there's ice cream. Oh my goodness. Come on, let's go and have our pudding.
Let's try the grape, I think.
We think it's grape. Is it grape or not?
I think it is.
It's either lime or watermelon. It would be great.
Might be watermelon. No, watermelon's green on the outside but pink, so it won't be green.
Probably great.
Verdict on the dining thus far, Dad?
Enjoying it?
You're not that keen though, are you?
It's alright.
I think it's alright.
It's better than the other place.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's miles better than like the, what did I refer to it? School dinners. And the Italian, because you can just eat whatever you want, however much you want.
Pardon me, it's better. You can eat whatever you want, however much you want.
Not that keen on the puddings, was you?
No.
Bit disappointed.
A lot better than it tasted.
I don't even know if you can hear us, but we have recovered from tea. I have picked that foot at Snooker. Pretty nice. And we are now in the disco awaiting Little Mix. Little Mix. Little Mix is at Butlins. You like Little Mix? Can you sing? Can you sing? What did you think of Little Mix then, Harper?
Good!
They were so cool, weren't they? He was right at the front. So we've seen Little Mix. We've been deafened by the craziness that is the tent. We have eaten a lot for tea, and we have just had a quick drink in one of the pubs. This is a terrible, terrible light. I might just stand here now because there's an awful reflection in my glasses. And we are heading back to the room now. It's about 10 o'clock, I think, maybe after 10 actually. So we need to get to bed because we are up early tomorrow. I think Zach's first game is about 10:20, I think it is. We have to be there 45 minutes before you actually kick off.
What?
Yeah. And we need to get breakfast. So we do really need to get some kit. These look very nice around here. What are you doing? No, this is not ours. I really like this area around here, to be fair. It's nice, isn't it? Isn't it pretty?
Not. Soccer.
So we shall love you and leave you. And see you again tomorrow.